Beas is one of the major rivers of the Indus River system. In Punjab, this pristine river supports viable populations of many magnificent aquatic species. It originates from Beas Kund near Rohtang Pass at an altitude of 3,977 meters in the middle Himalayas, traversing through the districts of Kullu, Mandi, Kangra in Himachal Pradesh, and enters Punjab at 52 headworks, Talwara. Within Punjab, Beas continues to flow in beautiful curves, crossing 6 districts of Punjab, starting from Hoshiarpur and continue through Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Taran, Firozpur, and eventually merges with the Satluj River at Harike Pattan on 29th August 2017. The entire 185-kilometer stretch of River Beas flowing through Punjab was declared a conservation reserve under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is now managed by the Department of Forests and Wildlife Preservation. Almost after 2 years, on 26 September 2019, Beas Conservation Reserve got the status of a Ramsar site as a wetland of international importance. The main channel of this conservation reserve is broad, dotted with islands, sandbars, braids, and wide pools. The average depth of the river varies from 1.5 meter during the dry season to 4.5 meter during the rainy season. There is extensive growth of long grasses like typha, saccharum, and phragmites along the river bank and in surrounding low-lying areas. Lotus grows abundantly in the marshy areas along the river, a habitat for more than 400 migratory and resident avian species. Beas and Harike support about 60% of the total species of birds reported from Punjab. Together, they also support more than 90 species of freshwater fish. Beas is home to the only population of endangered Indus River dolphin in India, locally called Bhulan, meaning the one with long lips. 7 species of freshwater turtles thrive in this water, Indian flapshell turtle being the most common of them all. These turtles are protected under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The smooth-coated otter, known as the wetland ambassador, is another rare species found here. In 2017, this conservation reserve became home to the critically endangered crocodilian species, Ghadial, when 70 juveniles were reintroduced in batches after 5 decades of their disappearance from the rivers of Punjab. Ghadial is listed as Schedule 1 species under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Other mammals recorded from Beas in Punjab include sambar, hog deer, jungle cat, leopard, jackal, nilgai and wild boar. Numerous reptiles, amphibians, invertebrates, macrophytes, zooplanktons and phytoplankton thrive here as well. Riparian communities in Punjab revere the waters of Beas River as Khwaja Peer. The river brings life and livelihood to the people living on its bank. It brings prosperity by bringing sustenance to their farmlands and cattle, and in return, these people act as custodian of Beas. The department is maintaining this conservation reserve through an integrated management plan, prioritizing on protection, research and ecotourism. By engaging various stakeholders, the department has been able to retain the ecological integrity of this conservation reserve and the interconnectedness of communities and the river.